All right, so we'll be targeting the lats with the roller here. The lats are quite a big muscle that kind of fan out from the low back up into the shoulder joint here. So to target it, we're gonna be on our side and kind of rolling from top to bottom here. You're gonna start with some broader strokes, but at the same time, if you find a spot that's particularly tight, then you can kind of spend a little bit more time on it and add a little bit of rotation to kind of lengthen and shorten that lat with a little bit more of a reach overhead. And kind of across body here. And then you can kind of go back to those broader strokes to kind of flush things out.